guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout share for the scrap room. You are not going to get a process video because this is part of a recipe exclusive to subscribers only. So I'm just going to share with you inspiration and just give you a good look and some close-ups. So this is for the Flavors of the Month kit, the 49 Market 49 Market Birdsong collection, the portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, and I had a lot of fun with strips. Now I've been seeing a lot of great layouts using strips or washi, and 31 Days of Sketches recently there was this awesome two-pager on, what day was it? On day 9, this sketch was created by Claudia Henderson. There was also this one from series 11 for day 2, created by Nicole Santos. And so just kind of going off of those are both really great compositions. I just really wanted something because I didn't really know what I wanted to do with papers, and my thing is whenever you have patterns and things that you're not sure, I was finishing this, you're not sure what you want to do with them, then you cut them up, right? If you're not really sure what to do with them, cut them up. So I chose some photos from my stash of my son getting into this stack of post-it notes. I don't remember why or how, but just all of a sudden everybody was getting sticky noted, even the cats. This one escaped narrowly, but that is what happened in these photos. And since the sticky note is a bright fuchsia pink and we've got all these other colors, I thought it would be kind of fun to do colorful strips, and this collection was perfect. So I cut it up and created background using a bunch of stamps and inks just to give the background a little bit more color. But other than that, and then all the things provided from the scrap room except for the alphabet. And yeah, created this layout. So that's what I want to share with you. And then I used something that's not included in the kit, black cardstock to mat all my photos. The white cardstock is included in the kit, but these are all embellishments that are included. And then my stickers are all from my stash, tons of alphabet stickers. These are all from a Simple Stories sticker book. These are from something else. They're slightly thicker. I can't remember what these ones are from. I don't know where I put them at the moment either. But they're slightly thicker, where those are really thin, almost like washi type stickers. And these are borderline chipboard, but they're not. They're really thin. Anyway, here's some lovely close-ups. I hope you make sure to check out the Facebook group for some inspiration and all the other fun challenges that are going on every month at the Scrap Room, the fans and subscribers page, as well as make sure you go check out the shop and buy all the things like I do. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.